Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your portfolio and apply for jobs without any experience. There are a lot of you who have been trying to apply for jobs for the first time, and the recruiters will ask you for experience, will ask you for a portfolio, and a lot of you don't have it. Today, I'm going to show you how to build your portfolio even if you don't have experience. Now, the truth remains that you need a portfolio, a CV, and a cover letter in order to apply for job to land that job. If you apply for job with just a CV or a cover letter, you might not actually land it. But before then, you need a portfolio, and a portfolio is a website that showcases the experience that you have over time before the employer can actually employ you. So today I will show you how to do that. Now let me tell you something. If you are the employer, you will definitely hire someone who has experience. So a lot of you who have been trying to bypass all the way without experience, it doesn't make sense. That's why today I want to walk you through the step-by-step guide to gather experience before you apply for any job. Now, to get any job, I want you to go to platforms like Upwork, platforms like LinkedIn, platforms like Jobberman, platforms that offer online jobs. Is that okay? You will see where recruiters go there to post jobs. All you have to do is follow what I'm about to show you. Now, if you come to Upwork, like we are seeing here, you can see this content writing job, because it's showing content writing jobs because this is how I structure my profile. In case you want to know how to structure your profile on Upwork and get jobs, please kindly check the video description. I'll put the link that will guide you to do that. All right, so you can also search here for other jobs. Let's say you are looking for a virtual assistant job. You can click here and virtual assistant jobs will also come out. All I want you to do is, for example, you need a content writing job. Come here, you see all these jobs, pick one of these. What I want you to do is to do what we call phantom project. Now, phantom project is doing a project that does not pay you, it's not real, but you are making it as if it's real. Is that okay? So the recruiter wants you to do social responsibility and all of this. Pick the job and actually do it. Is that okay? For example, as a virtual assistant, and you can see all these keys here. You use social tool to schedule appointments, use all these things. Go and download those tools. So you already have experience as a virtual assistant when you took the course. So you use tools like Google Workspace tools, project management tools, CRM tools, etc. All you have to do is this work responsibility. If they mention any of those tools or the responsibilities here are things that you can do, all you have to do is go to those platforms and do the job as if you are doing it for your clients, and then you screenshot it and then upload them to your Google Drive. I will show you how to do that. You upload them to your Google Drive, or you upload them to your MS Word, that is Google Docs, and then save them, and I will show you how to build your CV with it. Now, this is for a virtual assistant. You can do it for anyone. Let's say you are a content writer, because I'm a content writer, and that's why you see that the first jobs you see there were this. All right, so if you come to, let's say, platforms like indeed.com, search for jobs like that, you'll also see jobs that they are posting in this manner. So let's say you need a content, you're a content writer and you see all these content writing jobs. All you have to do is pick up what they want, the topic the writer wants you to write, the employer wants you to write the topic, and then you can go to a platform called Hackanoon and post your write-up there. You can go to a platform called dev.to and post your write-up there. You can go to a platform like Medium. All these platforms I'm telling you, they are apps. They are also websites operating as Facebook, Instagram, etc. All you have to do is go there and log in, register with your email, log in, and then post your article. And then you can now copy the link of it and now build your portfolio. If you're a graphic designer, all you have to do is come to any of these websites, indeed.com, either it's indeed.com, LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, any of these platforms that post jobs. Pick up the jobs, do them as if you are doing them for people, and then you post them. If it's graphics is even simple. You can make any design of this thing, and then you can post it on Medium, or you can upload it to your Google Drive, and then you copy the link and of course some of the time the screenshots to build your portfolio. You don't have to wait for a job in order to build your portfolio. And please don't try to bypass these things. All right, this way I'm teaching you is actually the way I built my first content writing portfolio. All right, you need a portfolio, and this is just the best way to do it. So once you are done with this, you can now build your portfolio. How do you build your portfolio? I have over 50 websites that you can actually use in creating your portfolio. We understand that a lot of people do not have portfolio then. Why? Because a portfolio is a website, and before you get a website, you spend at least $35, $40, most times $50 to get a website. But these days, we have platforms that give you leverage to use their website completely for free to build your portfolio. And one of the websites that is completely for free is Google site, google.com/site. You can go there and build your portfolio. I'll put the link in the video description. And then you can also go to Canva and get templates from there. Now, I also say that I have over 50 templates that I can give to you, although it has a cost of at least $3 or 5,000 naira in order for you to build your portfolio. They are very, it's just drag and drop. Once you buy them, it's just to drag and drop whatever you are doing. Drag and drop your picture, drag and drop the screenshot, drag and drop your link and etc. And you get a good portfolio. If you do this, you get a sharp portfolio and it will look as if you have worked for someone. And pay attention, if you are picking any job from any of the platform, you can see that the company's name is here, outsourcesolutions.ng. If you come here, you can go to jobs and you can look for jobs. If you come to Upwork, you can see here. So if you come here, you can see that we have a lot of jobs here and the recruiters are here. So pick up their name and make them as phantom projects. And with this, you get a good portfolio. If you follow this step, you'll be able to get a very beautiful portfolio. And the next time you apply for jobs, you are going to hit those jobs. Thank you so much. I love you. Please kindly help me subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.